contact tracing. Given the high multiplier nature of COVID-19, control and containment measures largely depend on our ability to track down and account for all persons who may have come in close contact with an infected person. Members of the public, and especially families, are required to cooperate with the health personnel and law enforcement agencies deployed on such tracing operations. Possibilities of decongesting workplaces. Business associations and employers are encouraged to explore creative ways of reducing human concentrations at workstations. Additionally, they are also being encouraged to observe safe social distancing parameters as set out by World Health Organization. Wherever possible, non-essential staff or even essential staff whose services can be efficiently rendered from home should be encouraged to take turns to work or to serve from home, respectively. Corporate responsibilities and responsible pricing. As we go through these extraordinary times for our nation, I would want to appeal to our business community to redouble their commitments towards social responsibilities so we tackle the pandemic together. More important, I appeal to those involved in the manufacturing and the trading of materials essential in the fight against coronavirus to resist the temptation of callously feeding fat on the current situation through extortionate pricing. These materials include protective clothing, masks, and sanitizers, among other items. Any evidence of irresponsible corporate misbehavior will leave government with no option but to come down heavily on offenders. We have to behave responsibly in order to protect the public. I'm also aware of concerns which continue to be raised by our health personnel who are in the front line of fighting this pandemic. These great men and women are the heroes and heroines of our nation. They continue to deliver services at great personal risk. They continue to save lives. They deserve our support. They deserve our unstinting praise and accolades. They must be rewarded. Above all, we should make their already risky medical chores both safer and less onerous. Government continues to procure more items needed by our health personnel in the fight against the pandemic. To that end, I have directed the release of additional funding towards the procurement of more safety clothing. Additional support continues to be flown into the country, while more and more centers are being designated and appropriately equipped for purposes of enhancing our overall responsiveness to the pandemic. Now is the time to show resolve, commitment, and sacrifice on the part of us all. So together, we pull through this challenge. Without doubt, our collective resolve and a sense of purpose will beat all odds that this pandemic may place in our way. We have to make our nation virus-free.